Good morning, children. In the last class, we have written first, second, third, and fourth questions answer. Today, we will write fifth questions answer. That is lesson number 1, safety and first aid. Fifth question, what is the first aid for cuts and wounds? The first aid is to be given for cuts and wounds are clean the wound with clean water to remove any dirt. Second point is wipe the cut or wound with cotton dipped in a few drops of antiseptic lotion. Third point is apply a thin layer of an antiseptic cream. Fourth is cover the wound or cut with bandage to keep harmful bacteria out. The person should see a doctor if the cut or wound is very deep. Sixth point, a tetanus injection is given if required. Now, first we will read. You too repeat in your mind the question answers whenever I am reading. Okay. What is the first aid for cuts and wounds? The first aid to be given for cuts and wounds are clean the wound with clean water to remove dirt, wipe the cut or wound with cotton dipped in a few drops of antiseptic lotion. Third point is apply a thin layer of antiseptic cream and cover. Fourth point is cover the wound or cut with bandage to keep harmful bacteria out. The person should see a doctor if the cut or wound is very deep. A tetanus injection is given if required. Now I will show you this question answers little bit closer so that you can see and write these question answers little bit clearly. What is the first aid for cuts and wounds? The first aid to be given for cuts and wounds are first point, clean the wound with clean water to remove any dirt. The second point, wipe the cut or wound with cotton dipped, dipped, dipped in a few drops of antiseptic lotion. ANTISEPTIC, antiseptic lotion. Third point is apply a thin layer of an antiseptic cream. CREAM, cream. Then fourth point is cover the wound or cut with bandage to keep harmful bacteria out. The person should see a doctor if the cut or wound is very deep. Sixth point is a tetanus injection is given if required. REQUIRED. So these are the question answers given. Please look at the board and write. I'll give you enough time to write these questions answer. Please write. Yes. Now we'll write after fifth question's answer. We'll write sixth question's answer also. What are the general rules you should follow when there is an accident? When there is an accident, we should never panic. Call a doctor as soon as possible. Then second point is do not crowd around the person. Okay. Then third point is make the person comfortable. These are the 3 points we have to keep it in our mind. First point is never panic. Don't get frightened. Don't get fear. Never get panic. Call a doctor as soon as possible. Do not crowd around the person. Make the person comfortable. Let's give him a glass of water. And first you lie down. Then after some time, make him sit and give him a glass of water. So then he will be very comfortable. Do not make crowd and seeing just looking at him what has happened. So these are the general rules we have to follow. I'll show you this question's answer little bit closely. You can copy them in a neat handwriting. So what are the general rules you should follow when there is an accident? Okay, then answer is when there is an accident, we should never panic. Call a doctor as soon as possible. Second point is do not crowd around the person. Make the person comfortable. 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 ACCIDENT. Accident. DOCTOR. Doctor. CROW. Crowd. So these are the answers what we have written today. Fifth and sixth questions answer we have written. Please write in neat handwriting and okay. With this we have completed writing the question answers of the first lesson. You can make a small first aid box. That's all. Keeping the scissor, bandage and all these things you can keep it in your house. Now objective type. You can open the page number 182. True or false? Can see this? True or false? Accident can happen anywhere. True. It is safe to play with the sharp objects. Wrong. Never talk to strangers. Correct. Then when a dog follows you, run as fast as you can. Wrong. When there is an accident, call a doctor as soon as possible. Right. Now, with the given pictures, right, for safe habits and wrong for unsafe habits. So by seeing the picture, you can do it by yourself. Multiple choice is also there. I'll show you that also. You can see. Always cross the road at the dash crossing. What comes here? Zebra crossing. B. You can write it here in the bracket, zebra crossing. Then walk only on the footpath. A is the correct option. You can write A here. Then third is, this is better than cure. A, health, disease, prevention. Prevention, C is the correct answer. Then fourth is, apply this as first aid for insect bites. A chili powder, B is baking soda, C is toothpaste. B is baking soda is the correct answer. You can write it here. If a person faints, the victim should be made to lie down with head dash the body. Higher than, equal to, lower than. So lower than is the correct answer. You can write C here. Now one more. The fifth is the list of the items that should go into a first aid kit. Now you can do it by yourself. What are the, here the pictures are there. Then with that you can put a tick mark and write the means given below in that. Okay, with this we have completed full question answers and objective type also. Okay. In the next class, we'll study a new lesson. Thank you.